Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing one of the demons from Kpop Demon Hunters. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves up. And a curve at the bottom to close them off. Now let's hop inside and let's add a circle. And then another circle inside on the bottom left. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw a curve up on top of each eye like this. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. Now for the next part of the face, let's hop on top in the center and draw a circle. Then on each side, let's draw a curve up and curve it in on top. Then let's add a bump out on top on each side. A larger bump going down. And then a small bump at the bottom. Now on each side of the face, let's draw a curve out and bring it in. And then curve each side up, meeting in the center. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw 2 bumps down on each side like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and draw the nose. Let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw 2 curves down. Then near the top, let's bring it out. Curve it down. And a curve across the bottom. Now for the nostrils, let's hop in and let's draw a curve along each edge. And color these both in black. Now we're going to hop out and draw the cheeks by drawing another curve underneath and in. And that's it for the nose. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a long curve down on each side. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside for the mouth, let's add a curve along the top. And then curve it down on each side. And connect it with a curve across. Now we're going to hop in and we're going to draw a border in the same way. We'll start with a curve at the top. Curve it down on the ends. And another curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. At the top and the center, let's draw 2 V-shaped points. And 1 more on each side. Now we're going to draw a longer tooth by drawing a larger curve down and up. Now let's add the bottom row of teeth. Let's do the same thing at the bottom by drawing 4 points up. And then a slightly larger one on the sides. And now color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down on each side. And then let's add a bumpy line down. And then let's add another bump in. And then 1 more on each side, going back up to the bottom of the head. Now that we're done the bottom half of the face, let's hop back up and draw the ears. Let's start with a curve up on each side. Now let's curve it back in. And 1 more bump down at the bottom. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw another curve up at the top. And then let's curve it down. And bring it in. Now we're going to hop up and draw the top part of the head. Let's start on top of each eye and let's add a small curve up. And then bring it out and up with a wavy line. And curve it back in underneath. Now in between the horns here, let's add a curve across. And then a large oval inside. Now for the top of the head, let's draw a large circle in the center. Then let's add a circular curve around. And then around this one, let's add a bumpy line. Now on each side, let's start at the bottom and let's draw a wavy line up and out. And bring it back in. Now on top, let's add a small bump on each side. Now let's hop down and let's add another wavy line out. And then bring it back in on top of the ears. Now inside each of these sections, let's add a swirl near the bottom. Now for the next part, let's move down next to the ears and let's draw a curve around. And then let's add a swirl inside. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw a curve up and bring it back in. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 bumps down. And curve it back in. Now lastly, let's hop to the bottom and let's add a bump down in the center. And add a curve across inside. And that's it for this demon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!